If you want to change the notification sound on your Google Pixel phone or set a custom notification tone from an MP3 file, this quick tutorial will walk you through the steps. The great thing about Pixel devices is that you can add custom notification sounds without installing any third-party apps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Scroll down and tap Sound and Vibration. Now tap Notifications or Default Notification Sound. Here you'll see Google's built-in notification sound collections. You can browse different categories and tap any sound. If you want to use one of these, simply select it and tap Save in the top right corner. But what if you want to set a custom notification sound on Pixel? On the same screen, tap My Sounds. Then tap the ++ icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can browse and select the MP3 or audio file you downloaded on your Google Pixel device. Once you select the file, it will automatically be added to your sound list. Tap your custom sound, then tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification sound on your Google Pixel and set a custom notification tone.